Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this beautiful, very rare Nissan Juke Nismo RS. Absolutely stunning car, low mileage, lovely service history, and yeah, drives very well. Finished in beautiful metallic black. It's got all the RS body styling kit, absolutely gleaming. Privacy glass to the rear, lower rear diffuser, sounds very lovely as well. As you can see, it's in absolutely lovely condition. Love the metallic red wing mirrors. Boot area is in lovely condition. Parcel shelf. Nismo RS. Looking at that lovely deep rear diffuser. Nismo RS Alcantara trim with red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Nismo kick plates. Nismo Recaro seats. Look at that. Alcantara steering wheel. I will just start it up so you can hear it. Sounds beautiful. Shut the door. So we've got all these buttons down here with lane assist. Satellite navigation, reverse camera with 360 degrees. It's only done 50,541 miles. Aux and a USB down there, 6-speed gearbox, different driving styles, eco, sport, normal. That's not usually standard, I don't think. Air conditioning, Bluetooth camera. Absolutely no wear on it at all. Cruise control, start stop button. It's a lovely Alcantara here. It's a nice place to sit, it really feels comfortable in these seats. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If requiring further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.